Hi guys, this is a 2014 ML diesel 350, replacing the battery. So the battery is actually located over here, which is like right under the front passenger seat. So then to do this job, I always set it to remember the seat for the customer, and then I move it forward all the way. Okay, all the way forward, then all the way up high. And then right there. So then to replace the battery on this guy, like the main battery, so then you remove the cover for this guy, get it aside, and then you just, this one just pull straight out. See, because you got these little tabs, just these little tabs. But yeah, put it up, pull it out, easy. And then this is the tricky part. So then what I like to do, I just like to grab this, push high, and push high. So then you can kind of get this piece out. See? So then you can see there's a little tab or this vent. But you can just swing it out. Because see the vent, they will go over this piece, which is this is terminal. No problem, just pull it straight out. And after that, what you want to do, there's a 13 mil down there. Oh, is that 10 or 13? Oh, 13 nut, sorry, 13 nut. All right, so then to replace the battery, you always want to take this side off, take the negative off first, and then make sure you take it off, and then you get a cover. Okay, let me grab some tools. Okay, so now we went to grab some tools. So what you need, extension about, I have no idea, like long extension, so you can get to the nuts over there. You can see those. Yeah, 1, 2. That's for the battery hold down. Okay, I'll take it out and I'll show you guys later. Okay, and disconnect the negative terminal right here. Just a 10. Just a 10 mil over here. Disconnect it, loosen it up, and pull it straight up. Okay, so we'll set this aside. Now we have to get to there. See, this is the part I love. Yeah? So there's a cover on that terminal, yeah? Okay. Okay, so there's a cover on the terminal. Okay, this guy. So you take this out, that cover, and you're using that 10 mil right there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a 10 mil right there. Right there. Okay, it's facing us, so a little easier. Okay. Okay, here we go. So now we're gonna get this battery out. So then to get it out, I found that easier if you do a 2-step. Okay, so first step, you lift it and you rest on here. Rest the bottom of the battery on that middle frame. And then you give a little bit more, so then you come out this way. Okay, and then now you can grab the handle. Just pull this straight out. Ah, there we go. So the battery I'm replacing is a 49 AGM, same size. If you go to your local power store, it should be a 49 AGM. Okay. So then now let's transfer this guy to there. So one thing I want to point out is that if you look on the positive side of the terminal of the old battery, there's actually a little cover, right? If you remove it, and you install it right here. Okay, right there. Okay, and then yeah, so this battery is good to transfer. Okay, so after you pick back the battery, connect the negative. There's another vent over here. There's a tube. Push it in. Done. Okay, right now and then we can safely put back the negative terminal on. Okay, so then right there, make sure it's on tight, and then we tighten this guy down. It's a 10. That is where you put on the hold down. So when you put the hold down in, make sure this guy, you see this right here, this guy is this way.